The plumbing program is a hands-on program that teaches students the proper ways to use tools, install plumbing fixtures, water lines, drain lines. We prepare our students for residential and commercial new construction applications with a little emphasis on service as well. With the way supply and demand is for plumbers right now, there are so many jobs out there that are not being filled, and with the average tradesman being 55 years old, we got a big gap to fill. We have advisory board members that bring their companies in every semester, and they're always looking for new employees. Their wage is going up every day, and we don't know where it's going to stop. Students get hands-on experience while working in the lab. We do things that we do on normal jobs out in the field. We go very in-depth into our uniform plumbing code book, which in turn helps you study for your journeyman/master's test in the future.
You learn a lot of newer construction, all the codes for it, and that helps a lot of people down the road for getting into service work and understanding how everything is tied together.
Our advisory board is really helpful in us staying current with our technology. They bring in stuff that is new that we can't get our hands on and show it to our students. Student does not need any knowledge of plumbing.
Until I got here, I knew nothing about plumbing. My family owns a farm, and then since the winter months are 6 months out of the year, I needed something else to have, like an extra source of income.
I chose plumbing probably because it was one of the better trades out there. It wasn't like contracting, which I liked, but I wanted a hands-on experience.
NDSCS helps students that might be struggling by having a great student success center.
They have a lot of resources here for students that struggle with math and other things that you can get tutoring on. Even the advisors will stay in their classroom 2 hours after class is over and will help you with classwork if needed.
Some of the advantages of attending NDSCS would be you get to meet new people, you get a 2-year experience, and you get to make the best of those 2 years.
I tell someone to come here because of the small class sizes and if they really prefer hands-on learning.
We have a lot of fun, we joke around a lot, but yet at the end of the day, we still get a lot done. Everything's hands-on. Even the class time that we have for books, it's still short. You still get a learning out of it, and we still have fun when we do it.